Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing that your savings just grew overnight. Not because you traded stocks, not because you worked extra hours, but because artificial intelligence was quietly doing the work for you. Welcome to a new era of money, where algorithms, not emotions, are beginning to decide how we save, spend, and invest. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we talk to machines or generate content, it's quietly transforming something deeply personal: our wallets. Every time your banking app warns you that you're overspending, or your budgeting tool suggests saving a little extra this week, that's AI at work. It's analyzing your patterns, learning your habits, and making small but powerful suggestions to make your financial life smoother. Think of it like a financial assistant that never sleeps, never gets distracted, and never judges your late night online shopping spree. It doesn't just watch what you do, it learns. Over time, it figures out when you get paid, what you tend to spend on, and how much you can realistically save. Then, it starts predicting what's next. When your bills are due, when your expenses might spike, or even when it's safe to invest a little extra. Before AI entered the picture, managing money was complicated. You had to study markets, track expenses, and constantly make decisions. Investing, especially, felt like a guessing game. You needed experience, time, and often a bit of luck. But today, artificial intelligence has changed that. Platforms known as robo-advisors now handle investments automatically. You simply enter your goals and your comfort with risk, and the system takes care of the rest. Let's say you invest $1,000. Instantly, the AI analyzes thousands of possible combinations: stocks, bonds, real estate funds, maybe even crypto, and builds a portfolio just for you. It diversifies, balances, and manages everything while constantly learning from market movements. If something shifts, like inflation, new regulations, or market volatility, the AI adjusts your investments in seconds. No emotions, no panic, just data-driven precision. That's the beauty of it. Humans are emotional investors. We panic when the market dips and get greedy when it rises. AI doesn't. It doesn't have feelings, only logic. It studies patterns, processes data faster than any analyst, and reacts instantly. That's why, in many cases, AI-driven systems are outperforming traditional human-managed portfolios. But here's the thing: the best results come when humans and AI work together. Think of it like a duet. The AI handles the complex math, the constant analysis, the tireless monitoring. Meanwhile, we bring the human touch: intuition, creativity, and understanding of context that no machine fully grasps. It's not about man versus machine. It's about man and machine working in harmony to create smarter financial decisions. AI is also reshaping how we save money. Have you ever used an app that quietly moves a few dollars into your savings account each day without you even noticing? That's AI analyzing your spending habits, identifying moments when you won't miss a few bucks, and saving it automatically. Over time, those small moves add up, and suddenly you have an emergency fund or a travel budget without even trying. Banks are starting to use similar technology to personalize their services. Instead of sending the same loan or credit offers to everyone, AI studies your individual history, your income, spending, and repayment habits, and tailors financial products that fit your life. It's like having a bank that truly knows you, offering the right solutions at the right time. And then there's fraud detection, one of AI's most powerful contributions. Every time you get a message saying, "Was this you?" after an unusual transaction, that's artificial intelligence protecting you. It knows your usual behavior and flags anything that looks suspicious, like a big purchase from another city or a strange charge late at night. AI is your silent bodyguard, working 24/7 to keep your money safe. But this revolution isn't just personal. It's reshaping the entire global economy. Major investment firms now rely on AI to make lightning-fast trades worth millions of dollars. Central banks use machine learning to forecast inflation and monitor market risks. Even small businesses use AI to predict sales and manage cash flow. The financial world is becoming a web of intelligent systems, constantly learning and adapting in real time. Of course, we can't ignore the challenges. AI isn't perfect. It's only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased or incomplete, the system can make poor decisions. And while AI might seem objective, the humans who build and train it still influence how it behaves. So we have to be careful to use AI as a tool, not as an unquestioned authority. There's also the issue of privacy. AI thrives on data: your income, your purchases, your location, even your browsing habits. The more it knows, the better it predicts. But that also means we're sharing more of our personal information than ever before. So as AI becomes more involved in finance, we need stronger data protection, transparency, and accountability. Convenience should never come at the cost of control. Still, the benefits are hard to ignore. Imagine your financial life running smoothly, your savings growing automatically, your bills managed intelligently, your investments optimized for long-term success. Picture an AI assistant that compares mortgage rates for you, finds better insurance deals, and moves your money to higher yield accounts, all while you sleep. That's not fantasy. That's the future being built right now. But the real key to this future isn't just technology, it's knowledge. The people who understand how to use AI will have a massive advantage. Not just financial literacy, but AI literacy, knowing how these systems think, how to question them, and how to use their insights to your benefit. The divide won't be between rich and poor, but between those who understand data and those who don't. And that brings us to one of the most exciting intersections of AI and money: cryptocurrency. AI algorithms are already predicting Bitcoin price movements, analyzing blockchain activity, and detecting market manipulation before humans can react. Some decentralized systems even use AI to manage funds autonomously. No middlemen, no bankers, just code making smart decisions in real time. It's a glimpse into a world where money truly becomes intelligent. Imagine your assets working for you around the clock, learning, adapting, and growing without your constant supervision. It's financial freedom powered by algorithms. But as always, technology is only as good as the people who use it. We can choose to build systems that empower everyone, or ones that deepen inequality. We can use AI to create fairness, or to chase profit. The power is in our hands. AI can either widen the gap or close it. So what does all this mean for you? It means that the future of finance isn't about Wall Street anymore. It's about smart tools in your pocket. It's about data that works for you, not against you. It's about giving everyone, no matter where they start, a chance to build wealth intelligently. The world is changing fast. In the coming years, AI will handle more of our financial lives than ever before. Your paycheck might automatically divide itself into spending, saving, and investing. Your bank might predict when you're most vulnerable to overspending and adjust accordingly. Your financial plan might evolve every day, not because you updated it, but because AI did. We're entering a future where your money doesn't just sit still. It learns, it grows, it adapts, it works, just like you. So the question is no longer whether AI will change finance. It already has. The real question is, how will you use it? Will you resist it, or will you harness it to build a smarter, more secure future for yourself? Because the truth is, AI isn't here to replace your financial decisions. It's here to make them stronger. It's not here to take your money. It's here to make it think. And when your money starts to think, incredible things become possible. So, what if your money worked as hard as you do? The Bitcoin difference.